My name is Sanvi and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today I am going to show you an easy and simple recipe of lime juice. It's so delicious and easy. Let's go to the recipe. Now in a bowl we'll put 1 spoon of chia seeds and then we'll put 2 teaspoons of water and let it submerge for 5 minutes. Now in a bowl, we'll put 6 tablespoons of sugar and then add 2 cups of water. We'll stir it till the sugar is dissolved. Sugar is dissolved. After 5 minutes, the chia seed is puffed out and we'll put the chia seeds in the water. 1 lemon and squeeze it in the water. One teaspoon of salt. Our juice is ready. We'll transfer it to a glass. Our lime juice is ready. You can serve it chill. Enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.